This Rainier R150i portable power station is a small but rugged off-grid portable generator that supports charging for all your necessities for electronic devices including GoPros, drones, lights, or speakers. It's engineered without an engine for clean power, no fumes, no fuel, and no noise to make it an ultra-versatile silent power source that is maintenance-free. With solar panel capability, the R150i will work in unison with any solar panel that has a DC 13V to 25V max port, with 100 running watts and 150 peak watts. This station is designed for outdoor activities like camping, tailgating, or festivals where you need power on the go. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Functional for indoor use as well. It conveniently comes with a flashlight for low-light environments. The R150i is extremely compact and lightweight, so it can easily be tucked away into your bag or vehicle storage compartment, while a built-in handle allows it to be hooked onto gear or easily carried. A premium power solution as compared to basic 5000 mAh power banks. It's got more power for longer with options for different charging methods. The control panel houses a traditional household outlet and 3 USB ports combined with 3 5.5mm 12V DC outputs. The Rainier R150i is the perfect little companion to take on all your adventures. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 155 watts-hours. Portable power station ideal for outdoor or backup home use. Upgrade from traditional 5000 mAh power banks, powered by lithium-ion batteries easily charged with included wall charger, car charger, or optional solar panel. Number 2. Versatile. 120V household outlet. 3 USB ports and 3 12V 5.5mm DC outputs makes this perfect for charging small sensitive electronic devices from laptops, tablets, and smartphones to GoPros, drones, cameras, lights, speakers, or headlamps. Number 3. Adventure ready. Lightweight portability at 3.75 pounds with a built-in carrying handle and battery level display with flashlight. Ultra compact and easily tucks into bag or vehicle storage compartment. Number 4. Efficient and dependable. No engine, which means no maintenance, no fuel, and no noise for completely silent operation. Avoids obnoxious fumes with gas-free use. Short circuit protection. Overload protection with overheat protection for battery and connected devices. Number 5. Backed by 1-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.